In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to create an email signature, especially in Gmail. If you have different email addresses and you want to have a different email signature for each different email address. So the first thing you're going to do inside your Gmail account, you're going to click on this cog and then you're going to click See All Settings. And then you're going to scroll all the way down until you see signature, and you can see we've got this whole section here. You can see that I've already got 2 email signatures with 2 separate email signatures already set up. If you're just starting out, you won't have that, but you're going to click on here, create new. So we're going to create this one and click create, and then you're going to add all of your information that you want on your signature. You can even add an image, so upload, and you're going to choose an image, so I'll choose that image. I have found recently that it is adding a broken image, but just go with it, because when you come back into it after the fact, then the image is there, so I'll show you that shortly. Next, you want to look at your default signatures. So when you click on the drop-down menu, you'll see all of the emails that you have set up. If you haven't yet set up a separate email address, then check out our other tutorial on how to set up additional email addresses on your Gmail account. So you're going to choose the email address that you want to set your signature default as, and so you're going to click that and then choose which which signature you want to have for this email address. So for instance, yours might look like that, and then I'm going to choose my CAF-Innate signature to go with my CAF-Innate email address. Once you're happy with that, simply scroll down and click Save Changes. I'm just going to go back in there to just resize that image that you saw was broken. So if we go to test signature, you'll see there the images, it is there in the end, but it's very big. So click on the image and then click small, and then that'll resize it, and you can get it more in line with what you're wanting. So just click save, and then you're going to go ahead and compose a new email, and you can see as you change through the different email addresses, if you've got them set up and you have your email signatures set up, then you will have the changing email signatures that you have set up. If I go ahead now and just assign this test one to, let's say, this one, we're going to choose the test signature, so that this will be test signature. So then there we go, there's my test signature, and that is how you do your individual signatures. If you don't set your defaults but you want to actually just change your signatures, when you're in an email, you can click on the pen, and here you can see the email signatures that are available, and then you can also get to your manage signatures section directly from this pen icon over here.